Hi, I'm Darren from DeltajDiy&Parts.com. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you how much tension to put on your garage door springs. Now the first thing I like to go ahead and do is and you'll see it in a lot of videos, they vice grip right above the roller. I don't like doing that, and I'll tell you why, and I'm going to show you. I like to vice grip about 3 inches up on the roller. So I'm going to adjust my vice grips here, and we'll get those stamped on nice and good. So now I'm going to go ahead and go up and start putting some tension on this spring here that doesn't have any tension on it. But safety first. We always put our safety glasses on. We want to protect our eyes. So a lot of homeowners will go ahead and use a variety of different tools. A 6-inch nail, a 3/8 socket extension. Oh, my personal favorite, a drill bit. I've been looking for this one. So let's see why we don't use these. So we start using these here. They seem to fit okay right now. The problem is, as you can see, there's a lot of play with them. So as we start getting more tension on there, oh, geez, that one, it almost slipped. So now we're going to switch to our 6-inch nail. See if that one does any better. That's why we don't use it. Because things are going to go flying. Oh, get that out of there. So what we're going to use is a proper set of garage door winding bars. All right, Lorelei, bring me a proper pair of garage door winding bars. Perfect, thank you. You can take these back. So what you need is a set of proper garage door winding bars, which we have on our website, DeltajDiy&Parts.com. Don't go ahead and use anything else. Socket extensions, large Phillips screwdrivers, large nails. You may be tempted to, but you have a pretty face and we'd like you to keep it that way. So each one of these on your cone is considered one. So this particular door is 8 feet high. So the garage door manufacturer will tell you 4 quarters, so 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarter, 4 quarter. 4 quarters per foot of door, so 8 times 4 is 32. I like to add 2 more on to keep our cables nice and taut and to make sure that our door balances stays fully open. So this one's going to take 34. So I'm going to start putting on some tension right now. And then you're going to see why I have my vice grips above my roller. Now I've already gone ahead and vice gripped off the shaft so it can't roll back and loosen up our cable. So there we are. We're 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now think of the forearms you're going to have when you're doing this. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now make sure your bar is in there all the way and see. 25. We're getting there. 26. 27. Now it's starting to get a little harder. 28. 29. 30. Almost there. 31. 32. Geez, I didn't know I could count this. 33. Almost there. 34. So at 34, we're going to go ahead. A lot of guys you see on these videos, they're tightening up their set screws right there. But if you do that, I'm going to get down just a little bit so you can see. If we do that, your spring is tight. Your spring is like this, really tight. And a torsion spring like this one here needs to stretch. So you need to have that stretched out a little bit so it's a lot looser to work with. So we're going to go ahead and stretch this out. And we're going to stretch that out probably about 3/8 of an inch. So we're going to pull our bar back towards us. We're going to hit that and just stretch that out just a little bit. So I'm going to hand tighten these set screws. And then I'm going to go ahead and take off this glove for a second. I wonder what pocket out of the 72 I got here. Oh, there it is. My trusted 7/16 wrench, 12 point. We're going to use the box stand here. And we're going to go ahead and tighten these up. And we're gonna go 3/4 of a turn past snug on those. All right, so we've almost got this back one here. So we've got that all tight. Now, before, as I promised, if you put your vice grips on your roller, right above it, you can't test your door to see if it's right. So you get down there, you take your vice grips off, you've got too much tension on because you miscounted. All of a sudden, your door is going to be too fast and it's going to come up, possibly knock you off balance or knock you over. So we leave our vice grips 3 inches above our roller. Now we can put our bar in here, release our bottom bar, and we can go ahead. Helps if we unlock it. Yes, let's put it in manual. Now we can use our bar and we can try it up and down. Now if our door was really heavy, we know we don't have enough tension on it. So we can add 2 at a time till we get the right feel, which we want that just to be able to do with just 2 fingers. If our door was really fast, now we have that safety in place. It's gonna come up, it's gonna hit that vice grip that I vice grip 3 inches above the roller, and it's gonna stop it there. So I don't get knocked off the ladder and I don't get hurt. Or I don't get down there and release my vice grips and all of a sudden the door shoots up and out the back of the tracks. So now we know this door balances really nice. So now we're gonna get our stuff. I'm gonna get my assistant here, Lorelei out of scene here, baby, to come get my stuff. All right, she's fired. We're gonna take the vice grips off here. I'm just gonna set everything on the floor here and get it out of my way. We'll get the vice grips on top here and take those off. And we're just gonna take this door out of the way. Now when we grab our door, as you can see, I've only got 2 fingers. I can lift my door up, stop my door, and it balances. Now, I can lift my door all the way up, and my door stays fully open. So now we know we have a perfectly balanced door, the safest possible way of doing it, and the smartest possible way of doing it. If you like this video today, please like it down below or subscribe, and check out our website, DeltajDiy Garage Door Parts, for more how-to videos and the parts you should and need to have to do your job safely. And have a great day.